Bollywood's love affair with the snow-capped peaks of Switzerland or the streets of London and Paris seems to be undergoing a subtle change over the years. An increasing number of big-budget films are now exploring the magic of small-town India. Besides being cost-effective, the landscapes of these places bring authenticity to the look. Bollywood Hungama looks at some of the films that have successfully captured the essence of these small towns on the big screen. Last year's record-breaking blockbuster Dabangg was largely shot in the quaint little town of Vai in Maharashtra. The rustic terrain of this place effortlessly became the playground of the film's lead character, Chulbul Pandey. For a while now, Vai area has been one of the most favourite locations for Bollywood to shoot outdoors. The love-friendship-revenge drama Ishqiya was also shot there, though in this case, Vai was passed off as Gorakhpur, which was the setting of the film. Other films too have been shot around Vai, including Omkara, Gangajal and Swades. Tanu Vets Manu has been declared as one of the first hits of the year. The film has been praised for its portrayal of the by-lanes of Kanpur. The pure accent of UP and a typical North Indian wedding. In last year's Cannes selected film Udaan, the small town setting was not this light-hearted. The steel town of Jamshedpur took a menacing look. Just like the protagonist's abusive and difficult father.
तुम अपने काम से काम नहीं रख सकती?
The hit romantic comedy Jab We Met was shot in multiple locations like Chandigarh, Shimla and Manali.
पता है क्या? आज तक लाइफ में एक ट्रेन नहीं छूटी मेरी. थैंक यू बाबा जी. मेरा रिकॉर्ड टूटने से बचा लिया.
Geet, the female lead in the film, brought out the hidden best in these sleepy locales.
सिखड़ी हूँ मैं भटिंडा की.
Riding on the success of Jab We Met and Love Aajkal, director Imtiaz Ali is shooting his upcoming film Rockstar in Dharamshala, Srinagar and Pahalgam. The biggest Bollywood blockbuster of all times, Three Idiots, was shot extensively in Ahmedabad and Ladakh. Like Imtiaz Ali, director Rajkumar Hirani also hails from a small town and knows how to effectively tell stories deeply rooted in India. Director-producer Prakash Jha, who has earlier shot Apharan in Satara and Rajneeti in Bhopal, is again shooting his upcoming multi-starrer Arakshan in Bhopal. There are more films that are coming in the next few months, which have used the diverse topography of India to tell their stories. Yash Raj's Mere Brother Ki Dulhan has been shot in Pataudi, Agra, Mussoorie amongst other small cities. Pan Singh Tomar, the story of a runner-turned-rebel, has been shot in Chambal and the actual barracks that Tomar lived in at Roorkee. With Gangs of Wasipur, director Anurag Kashyap returns to the city he once grew up in, Banaras. Also being shot on the picturesque ghats of the city is Sunny Deol's next, Mohalla 80. Shirish Kunder's 3D film Joker is set in the planned city of Chandigarh, while Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra's production debut Teen The Bhai has been shot in Kashmir. Ace director Sudhir Mishra will be shooting his upcoming film Dhruv in Jodhpur and Udaipur and Homecoming in Chhattisgarh. Looking at the box office reports, one can see that the most successful films of recent years have skillfully exploited small town sensibilities to their advantage. Will these upcoming films be able to recreate the magic formula? Only time will tell. We know for sure, as film lovers, we are enjoying the cinematic appeal of the vast and varied landscape of our country, being brought out beautifully. Bollywood Hungama News Network.